violin spinning left and right. G for guitar, strum that sound. H for hat that spins around. I for ink in a little pot. J for jug, we pour a lot. K for kettle, steaming hot. L for ladder, reach the top. M for monkey, let's just hum and dance away. N for nurse, so kind and sweet. O for orange, tasty treat. P for pencil, writing bright. Q for queen, what a sight. R for rabbit, hopping free. S for sun, shine on me. T for tiger, strong and bold. U for umbrella when rain gets cold. V for van that drives so far. W for watermelon like a star. X for xylophone, ding ding ding. Y for yo-yo, spin that string. Z for zebra, black and white. A to Z, hooray, hooray. We learned our letters the fun way. Sing again, come join the play. Let's learn and laugh every day.